Mother Teresa English High School and Junior College, where knowledge lights the way, guiding young minds toward a brighter tomorrow. An institution that has stood for over 1 decade, where kindness, knowledge, and success go hand in hand. The school is like a big family where everyone cares about each other and helps one another grow. This school is really ahead of its contemporaries due to its ability to adapt latest scientific technology. Computer and science labs are equipped with the latest technology, providing students with a hands-on learning experience that prepares them for success in the digital age. With cutting-edge equipment and resources, students have the opportunity to explore and experiment a deeper understanding of scientific concepts and technological innovation. Our smart classrooms offer an immersive learning environment where interactive lessons come to life, engaging students and enhancing their educational journey. Our school knows that learning is more about than just getting the right answers. It's okay to make mistakes here because that's how you learn and grow. Teachers want you to ask questions, share your ideas, and create inquisitive as well as open environment for our students to learn and set their goals firmly. They create a safe space for you to talk freely and learn from each other. At our school, we understand that sports are a foundation of personal development, teaching valuable life lessons that cannot be learned from books alone. By giving equal importance to sports and studies, students are encouraged to explore a variety of sports, including karate, carom, chess, and much more. These activities teach valuable life skills like discipline, focus, and strategic thinking. This way of learning helps you to do well in school and in life, thus making way for excellence in every aspect of a student's life. Our school cultivates a vibrant and inclusive environment by celebrating a diverse range of festivals and national days. From the joyous lights of Diwali and the spiritual significance of Ekadashi to the festive spirit of Christmas, students experience the rich variety of Indian culture. These celebrations extend beyond religion as the school proudly observes national milestones like Independence and Republic Days and honors professions with Doctors' Day and Teachers' Day. They even promote a healthy mind and body through Yoga Day and Science Day while nurturing a spirit of competition and teamwork with Sports Day. This well-rounded approach ensures students develop a deep appreciation for their heritage, national identity, and personal well-being. Various social awakening rallies, cultural rallies on Ashadi Ekadashi, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan are being carried out, thus molding culture with scientific outlook and with tinge of Indian tradition is the salient feature of Mother Teresa English High School. So come and join us. Be a part of an institute that takes giant strides in nation building and fulfilling its social responsibility.